Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to create role categories on Discord. To make your role separate, you can create categories. Here's how to separate roles on Discord. Go to your server and click on your server name. Click on server settings and click on roles. First of all, let's create a new role and giving the role name bot. Selecting a color and now scroll down. Make sure to enable display role members separately from online members. And then go to manage members section. Click on add members and add members to the role. Click on add. Once the role created, now you can drag the role like this to change the role position. Click on save changes. Now go back to your server. And here, as you can see, I've successfully created role categories. That's how you'll be able to separate your role categories. If you have lots of friends on your Discord server, then you can create a new role for friends and add all of your friends into the role. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.